Hi, welcome to AequilibraE, and today let's take a look at traffic assignment here on AequilibraE 0.6 using Equilibrium, one of the Equilibrium assignment methods available. So as everything for AequilibraE now, start with project, open project. Let's use the CU Falls project, which is a quick one to be computed. Open. As soon as you add, links and nodes already added to the screen, you can remove them if you want. The project is loaded in memory as stated, as proven by this screen being populated. So we'll go to path and traffic assignment. So you're going to see 6 tabs in this GUI. 2 of them are disabled: critical analysis and link flow extraction. They are for features that are still being implemented. And project only contains some descriptive of the project, so nothing really important. So let's go here for the first one, which is traffic classes. Traffic classes will allow you to add matrices to be assigned and associate to each traffic class available in the project. So OMX, load, demand, OMX. So this is for cars. The PCE, the passenger car equivalent PCU, is 1. I only have one mode in this, one class in this assignment, and the centroids are listed in this TAZ here. So add traffic class to assignment. I don't have anything else to do because it's a single class assignment. The skimming, I'm going to go to free flow time, add skim, and distance. And here there's a difference. For time, I want the last iteration, which is the congested time, which is the equilibrium travel time, so I don't want the blended. And for distance, I don't want the last iteration. I want the iteration, the distance that corresponds to the overall flows. So I'm going to go there. I want these 2. So assignment. Finally, we can choose the algorithm. I want the BFW, the biconjugate Frank-Wolf, 10 to the minus 4 with 250 iterations, which is what is populated in my parameters file, and I'm happy with it. Then we do have right underneath this block flows through centroids, which in this case of CU Falls needs to be unchecked because all centroids, there are no centroid connectors, all nodes are centroids. Capacity, free flow time. For vulnerability function, the only implemented so far is the BPR. You can choose a value to be a single value to be used throughout the network, or you can choose a value link that is link specific, that is in our network, which is what we have in this case, which would be and power, not the most meaningful names, but that's the standard for the TNTP. So results, let's put in this folder and let's just assign. All or nothing is just too fast here, so you don't really see this progress bar, but you can see the R gap falling pretty fast here. Assignment is done. If you changed your login directory for a place you know, you also gonna have there the result of your assignment. So you do have the iterations, the relative gap, the step size used, and it it's pretty comprehensive assignment. Logging if you want to know how the convergence evolved, including some final information there on the R gap. If you didn't change that in the parameters file, this information is going to be in your temp folder, so a file called AequilibraE.log. So let's see the results. You probably want to see the results. We can the results are always generated as CSV, so link flows underscore the traffic class, so the mode, you have in your model. So if you assign three traffic classes together, you're going to have three files here. So let's open. So you're always going to have all the user classes side by side here for each class, each traffic class. So let's add, close. Let's join these two guys here. So link flows with link ID and link ID and everything else. And if we go to GIS, stacked bandwidth, AB and BA flows. The rest I'm going to leave the same, and I'm going to keep this color as well. Let's add a band and create. So there you go. There you have it. Those are link flows. If you want to change a little bit the scale, you can go to Project Properties, and this value is the maximum link flow, which will be equivalent to a size 10 here. Let's say I want actually a size 8, and the separation between link direction flows, I would just want half of that separation, and there you go. There you have the map. So that's it for today. Let's keep the conversation going. Contribute to AequilibraE, bug reports, use cases, tutorials, financial support, any way you have, any way you can help, and contact us on equilibrae.googlegroups.com. Thank you.